Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west from Charlestown District towards Two River District, St. Andrew Parish. We are driving on the Stony Hill to Parl Road, also the Above Rocks Main Road. Entering Two River District. The sign on the right reads, "Welcome to Lacy." Additionally, that road on the right will take you to Rose Hill, Content, Essex Hall, and other places. As the name Two River suggests, this is where the New River and the White River meet. Crossing the New River and the road on the right is Parl Road. Also, that road should be able to take you to Rose Hill, Content, Essex Hall, and other places. On the right is also Parl Road. Entering Salisbury Plain. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.